global industrial and machinery buyers. Welcome back to my channel. I am your sourcing agent based in Gongyi, China, home to 2,000 plus industrial factories. And today we're at a drying factory. If you want more details, please subscribe, stay tuned, and watch till the end. Okay, without further ado, let's start this factory tour now.
It has two core series of industrial dryers. The first one is the professional grain circulating dryer. It is widely used, suitable for drying all kinds of grains and oil crops, including rice, corn, wheat, soybeans, rapeseed, sorghum, sesame, and pistachios. This grain dryer adopts advanced mixed flow and counterflow low temperature circulating drying technology. It is equipped with a full automatic PLC intelligent control system. The drying temperature can be precisely adjusted from 35 Celsius to 110 Celsius, achieving stable constant temperature drying. The factory provides two mantops to match different production skills, mobile type, and a large fixed drying tower. The mobile grain dryer is fixed and easy to install. Its single batch processing capacity is from 2 tons to 20 tons, with a daily output of 10 tons to 100 tons. It is very suitable for small and medium-sized farms and local grain stations. The large fixed drying towel is equipped with complete grain silo structures. It has no upper limit in daily output capacity, which can fully satisfy the upper large-scale drying needs of modern grain depots and large grain processing enterprise. This grain dryer supports a wide range of fuel options to adapt to different international market conditions. It can run on wood, coal, biomass pellets, biomass oil, diesel, natural gas, electric power, and also supports all air source heat pump energy systems. The equipment has outstanding performance advantages. It features low power consumption, low heat loss, and fast moisture removal speed. Most importantly, the grain cracking rate is extremely low during drying, which perfectly protects grain quality. The machine runs stably with a long service life. The second core product is a multi-layer mash belt dryer, specially designed for fruits, vegetables, and medical herbs. Different from grain dryers, this equipment is customized and for special materials that cannot be flipped, rolled, or squeezed during drying. Materials such like chili peppers, various medical herbs, and all strap-shaped, block-shaped, and slice-shaped agriculture products are easily to deform or break with ordinary drying method. To completely preserve the original shape and the appearance of these materials, this mash belt dryer adopts a closed multi-layer box structure. Inside the machine, materials move slowly in an S-type circulating track throughout the whole drying process. There is no rolling, no collision, and no extrusion during operation. It perfectly maintains the complete shape and high appearance quality of fruits, vegetables, and medical materials after drying. The temperature control range of the mash belt dryer is from 40 Celsius to 160 Celsius. The wider temperature range supports professional low-temperature slow-drying technology, which fits herb and fruit processing requirements perfectly. All specifications of the mash belt dryer can be customized, including the number of the layers, belt width, and overall machine length. Dryers from this factory support personalized customization. The equipment has been exported to many countries around the world.
That's all for today's factory tour. Now, if you are interested in today's product, send your inquiries through my business contact below, and see you guys in my next Gongyi China blog. Bye, guys.